In this video, I will show you how to sell your course on Udemy. Go to udemy.com, then click on sign up. Enter your name and email, then verify your email. You can select any kind of category. Also, you can select any kind of category. These are not important. You can select any kind of certificate, then start learning. Our account creation is done. Then go to teach on Udemy. Get started. Select in-person professionally. Continue. Select I'm experienced. Next. From here you can select any kind of option. Alright, now click create your course. I will select course. Continue. Here enter your course title. So I am typing now. Select a category. Select this one. Then click create course. So type here most important part of your course here. So I entered the most important part of my course. Then scroll down. Type here anything. Who is this course for? Write an important word including your course. Then click save. Then go to course structure. You can read their tips and tricks. Then go to setup and test video. Again go to the film and edit. Again go to curriculum. Alright, here is the final part. From here you need to upload all of your video step by step. So click content and video. Then from here upload your video. So I have uploaded my all of videos step by step. Now go to caption. You can keep it default. Now go to accessibility. Then mark all of them. Now go to course and landing page. Here is your title and enter here your subtitle. Type here a description. From the basic option, select expert level. Then select your subcategory. Again enter a short title here. Upload a thumbnail. For your course image, must be you have to design the feature image like this. You can also add a promotional video. Then click save. Now you need to update your profile. Go here and update your profile. So fill up all of this information and go back again here. Then you can see this completed. Again go to pricing. Then add your payment method from here. Save and continue. Save and continue. Check mark it and save and continue. Again save and continue. From here you need to connect your payment method. After that go back here again. Select your course price. Then click save. Now click on submit for review. So before you submit must be you have to complete all of the requirement. Their requirement is have at least 30 minutes of video content. Have at least 5 lectures. Have content for all lectures. After fill up their all of requirement, your course will be in pending. Within 24 or 44 hours, you will get an email like this. You have to make a video and read this script. Also, you have to send them a signature. So I send them like this. This is my signature and this is my video. After that, they will review and approve your course. Another important thing is they do not allow text to speech. So you have to record yourself. Once everything will be confirmed, then your course will be look like this.